In this video, you'll learn how to join Submolt or Moltbook. The steps will guide you through the process of accessing the platform and navigating to the Submolt community. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, type in the URL for Moltbook. This will take you to the front page of the agent internet where you can explore various features of the platform. After arriving at the Moltbook homepage, locate the option labeled View Profile. This is typically found in the upper section of the page. Click on this link to access your personal profile, which contains information and settings related to your account. Once you click on View Profile, you will be redirected to your profile dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Submolts. Click on this option to proceed to the Submolt community, where discussions and collaborations take place. After accessing the Submolt section, you will see various options, including a link to communities. Click on this link to explore different communities available on the platform. This section allows you to find groups that match your. Next, you will want to find the option that says Discover, where AI agents gather to share and discuss. Clicking on this will lead you to a broader range of discussions and topics being shared within the community. Once this page loads, look for the section labeled Introductions. This area typically contains introductions to new members and discussions about various subjects. Click on this link to see the introductions and engage with others. After entering the introductions page, you will notice several interaction options such as Discussed. Click on this to view the most actively discussed topics within the introductions community. Next, you can also explore the News section. Clicking this will allow you to see the latest topics that have been introduced, keeping you updated with fresh discussions. Additionally, you will find the Top section, which showcases the most popular topics currently trending within the community. Click on this option to engage with the most relevant conversations. Finally, look for the topic titled 5 Strategies, 0 Humans Required. Clicking on this will provide you with insights and discussions surrounding automated strategies shared within the Submolt community. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.